Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing here. I just got this box shipped to me from CRKT, and it was interesting because they had some other items that they sent to me to start reviewing, and then this one came after. They emailed me in between and were like, hey, did you get that second box? And I was like, not yet, but I'll let you know. So it's arrived, and I thought I'd do an unboxing here on screen. So we've got the CRKT, this is the helical from Ken Onion, and we're gonna unbox this together right here and figure out what is inside. Take a look here. As soon as you open it, you can see that green packaging that often comes, that CRKT items are often shipped in. Looks like that's it as far as in there. So it's all bagged up. Let's take it out, take a look. Definitely heavy, whatever it is. There's our box. Confidence in hand. Open it up. Oh, sweet. So, CRKT trucker's hat. It's a cool looking hat. I don't know if you guys like trucker's hat. Some people do, some people don't, but I do. So, that's cool. Looks like there's a little more packaging paper. There's a note here. Looks like a note in the bottom. Yeah. So it says, welcome to the Columbia River Knife and Tool Inner Circle. You've been exclusively selected to receive our new limited edition XOC, pronounced Shock. There are only 200 of these. Cool. Oh wow. 200 of these in existence. It's far away the strongest, most heavy-duty knife CRKT has ever produced. True to our roots, it features the groundbreaking, innovative new deadbolt locking mechanism. I think I saw this at a SHOT Show. Deadbolt proves that strength doesn't have to come at the expense of simplicity. Steel bolts interlock in the base. They're just explaining a little bit. This one is premium Cts Xhp Steel with a carbon fiber handle. Titanium inlays. The Shock is truly the apex of confidence in hand. Put this knife through its paces. It's not meant to be a mantelpiece. Use it, abuse it, and if you like it as much as we do, show it off. So it's in this, wrapped up in this like leather thing here. Yes, this is what I saw out at SHOT Show. This is amazing. So here's what it looks like. It's got like a little pouch that says CRKT right there. And I'm trying to think of the name of the other knife off the top of my hand that I can't remember. I'll roll in the name here in a minute. But it's a Flavio Acoma design, and I'm actually in the process of reviewing the smaller version. But this is the limited edition version. And this thing is a bear. Look at that thing. Holy cow. So, I mean, again, I have large size hands. I've said that in other videos, but this thing is overbuilt and it is a monster. So, titanium inlays, carbon fiber. We'll just do a little close up for you here. There's your carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. And does it say on here the steel? No, but I already, yeah, CTS Xhp, that's what it is. Wow, look at that, man. That's a beautiful blade design too. So the deadbolt system, if you're not familiar with it, let me just show it to you here. So you've got this little button here. When this opens, you'll hear it click in. And what it does is it puts basically steel pins through the end portion of the, basically the butt end of the blade there, of the blade steel. And it goes through and just locks in super strong. So this thing is built like a beast, looks like a beast. Flavio Acoma designs are always cool. They've got a very kind of organic, earthy feel. I do like the Fossil a lot. I like the Carnifex a lot. The No Time Off, I think, is the other one that he's made that I really like. Man, this thing opens like a bear. Just take a look at that thing. So that's sweet. I gotta be honest with you, I don't know if I'm gonna go out and beat on this thing. It's such a pretty knife. Let me just open it for you. Yeah, that is a chunky knife. That is pretty amazing. So CRKT, thank you guys for sending this over to me. That's really, really cool. Yeah, so I just want to unbox this on camera and share it with you guys. So this is the Shock, Flavio Acoma design. Cool, I mean, just an amazing looking knife. Even the pocket clip is very cool. There's the other side. Do a couple close-ups here. And then again, the blade. And it does have actually thumb studs too. So it opens up with thumb studs. And then there it is. All right, guys, so you gotta look at the Shock here. Really amazing gift, not just nice, amazing gift from CRKT. Thanks to CRKT. Thanks you guys for watching. And as always, more videos coming soon. Take care.